Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can start a jam on Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, in the top right corner, you're gonna find your notifications. Here you're gonna find your friends activity. And lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. If you click on your profile icon, right here, you're going to find account, profile, upgrade to premium. You can start a private session, go to your Spotify settings, and lastly, you can log out from your Spotify account. So if you click on account, this will take you to a page on your browser where you're going to find all of your account settings. So right now, if you go to the left side of your screen, here you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find the homepage. Here you're going to find the search section. And lastly, right here, you're going to find your library. If you expand your library, right here, you can see the full name of your playlists and also your albums. So right now, in order to be able to start a jam on Spotify, firstly, go ahead and search for any song you want to play. For example, I'm going to go to this playlist right here. Then I'm going to click, for example, on this song, play it. And then once you play the song, here in the bottom, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to enable shuffle. You can go back, go next. Right here, you're going to find the pause and play button. And right here in the right, you can enable now play in view. Here, you're going to find lyrics. You're going to find queue. And right here, you're going to find connect to a device. Go ahead and click on connect to a device. And right here, you're going to find your current device. So basically, guys, once you're here, if you are a premium member of Spotify, you're going to find the option to starting a jam right here. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.